dogs are gonna be very, very upset. In there somewhere, chewing on the bone. He's letting us know, I got the bone. My bone there. Want to come out and show us your bone? Come on, come show us the bone. It's more of a limp noodle now. It's been on the rain. One of those bones that aren't. Oh shit! Dropped it. That's why I pissed off. Like, dude, that thing tasted like shit. What's going on? What is going on, bud? You looking for something else now? I know that bone couldn't have been too good. Still another bone? I don't know if there is anymore. Alright. Oh, what's that? Oh, I think that's just, no, that is a bone. That's a real bone. Baby. What's going on? Oh, you found another one. Yeah, they're just like made out of hide, so they turned limp. Sleeping out in the rain. The bird loves them. Okay. Man, got a lot to say. Must live close or something. He was on the roof when I got here. Scared the shit out of me. Bye, bird.